Feast your eyes on the Ceres International Gourmet Snack Box. This thing is absolutely phenomenal. Take a look inside. I'm going to show you each one of these step by step. But I mean, I want to just first show you that it comes with this really cool, I mean, it looks like a beautiful Turkish carpet, little carrying knapsack with a string on it. Can you guys see that? I mean, that is gorgeous. It's phenomenal. You have these cool guides that kind of tell you they match and pair which the snacks are. It gives you really in-depth description on each of the snacks. It also tells you what is best to eat it with. I just think it's so cool. Here you have the nutritional chart right here. Look how cool that is. It gives you the exact ingredients, the exact proportions, how many grams of sugar, etc., etc. Are you ready for this? Check this out. Oh my God. Look at these. Look at these. Oh, it also came with an Amazon gift card, $10. I'll take that. I think my favorite is the Hazir Turkish coffee. I think this is absolutely phenomenal. The Dankek Poti, absolutely love this. Tastes delicious. I mean, there's so many delights. Actually, this is my kid's favorite. This is the Hale little cream puff, chocolate cream puff, which is just absolutely delicious. When I say international gourmet, like, I'm not kidding you. These are just phenomenal and they taste amazing. I'm a big time coffee drinker. My kids also love this, the Pizza Kraken. I'm a big time coffee drinker, so a lot of these, I mean, there's like 40 snacks in here. It's absolutely phenomenal. It's actually a 22 count, but you can also get the maxi as well as the midi or the mini. This is the Cocoa Prenz. It tastes like it's a beautiful little buttermilk cookie with filling. Oh, these are just so good. This is my wife's favorite. This is the kind of chocolate, gourmet chocolate brownie one. But anyway, you can see inside here, look at all of those goodies. Just absolutely delicious. I think this would make an amazing gift if you're not an avid, coffee drinker or sweet tooth or snack person. This is just, it's what it is it's very high quality. It's excellent for any occasion, long lasting, fresh treats. They last a very, very long time, and a kind of balanced distribution of different snacks, different tastes, different delicacies. Oh my gosh, I completely recommend these. Discover new flavors. Aren't you sick and tired of the boring same old snacks and crackers and pastries and cookies and brownies? Try something new. Life is short. Be innovative. Do something different. Give a unique gift. If somebody gave me this box as a gift, I would be so super excited and impressed, and I would remember that person forever. So highly recommend this amazing Ceres Gourmet International Exotic Snack Box Variety Pack. Foreign rare snack food gifts with surprise item for fun, a mystery box of snacks, European snacks for adults and kids. Cannot recommend enough. Highly recommend.